A lot of people think that preparedness means buying more gear, but the truth is, some of the most useful emergency tools are already sitting in your home. You just don't think of them that way. And once you start looking at everyday items differently, you realize how much capability you already have. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 everyday items that are secretly great preps and how they could actually be used in real-world situations. Let's get started. If you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you. My name is Cliff, also known as the Urban Prepper, and on this channel we focus on the topic of urban emergency preparedness. Let's start going through these 10 everyday items that are secretly great preps. The first item is your hot water heater. Most people don't realize this, but it can hold anywhere between 30 to 80 gallons of water. That's a built-in emergency water supply sitting right in your home. As long as you're maintaining it properly, that water can be used for cleaning, sanitation, and in some cases, even drinking. And if you ever need to access it, you'll want to turn off the incoming water and open a faucet so it drains properly. And if you didn't realize you had that much water already stored, this next one is closer than you think. The tank behind your toilet holds water, not the bowl, but the tank itself. In an emergency, that water could be used for cleaning, flushing, and even filtered for drinking if needed. Just make sure that the tank is clean and unfiltered, and again, avoid the water in the bowl. Now let's stay on the topic of water, but move to something that could add a lot more volume very quickly. Your bathtub is one of the easiest ways to store a large amount of water quickly. If you know a disruption is coming ahead of time, you could fill up your bathtub with water and use that for cleaning, for flushing, and even for drinking once filtered. And if you want to keep that water clean, you could use a food-grade liner like a water bob. This is especially useful if you don't have space for dedicated water storage. Those are some water storage options, but the next item is all about versatility. Heavy-duty contractor bags are one of the most versatile items you already have. You could use them as a poncho, a ground barrier, a shelter, or even to collect water. You could also use them to keep your gear dry or line containers for sanitation. For how cheap and compact they are, they could solve a lot of problems. And sticking with simple items that do a lot more than people think, the next one is just as practical. A simple 5-gallon water bucket could be used for water storage, containing supplies, and even as a makeshift toilet. You could also turn it into a grab-and-go kit or use it to organize gear. They're durable, stackable, and extremely practical. Now this next item is something almost everybody already has sitting in their kitchen. Aluminum foil is one of the most underrated items in your home. You could use it for cooking, reflecting heat, creating a windscreen, or shaping into containers. It's also useful for protecting electronics from an EMP or making makeshift tools when needed. Now let's go back to the topic of water, but this time from outside of your home. Your roof and your gutters are already a built-in water collection system. During a storm, they could collect a surprising amount of water. With something as simple as a container, you could capture that runoff for cleaning or flushing. Just remember, it does need to be filtered before drinking. The next one is something people already have, but they don't think of it as a prep. A simple tarp could be used for covering your windows, protecting your home from debris, or even create a temporary makeshift shelter. In situations like volcanic ashfall or civil unrest, it could add an extra layer of protection. It's one of those items that becomes much more valuable depending on the situation. This next item takes things a step further and can even protect your electronics. A metal trash can can be used for rodent-proof storage, water storage, and even as a burn container. And with a tight-fitting lid and insulation, it could function as a basic Faraday cage to help protect electronics. And finally, this last one may seem a little unexpected. You could use pool noodles to insulate pipes, block gaps under doors, pad sharp edges, or create a makeshift toilet seat on a 5-gallon bucket. It's cheap, lightweight, easy to cut, and more versatile than people think. Those are my 10 everyday items that are secretly great preps. I'm curious, what are yours? So leave your comments below in the comments section with regard to some everyday preps that a lot of people already have, but could be very useful in an emergency situation. Leave those comments below in the comments section and stay tuned for more urban emergency preparedness videos. See you next time.